A very important remark. You would never mix metals like sodium and potassium with acids. We cannot mix metals like sodium and potassium with acids. Why? Well, because their reactions are too violent. We can see here that sodium and potassium are found on the top in the reactivity series table. We said before that whenever the metal is high in the reactivity series, the reaction will become stronger and vigorous. So why are they saying that we cannot put sodium or potassium with an acid? Well, because obviously the reaction will be very violent. It might cause harm, since as you can see, sodium and potassium are the highest in the reactivity series table.